So the first thing any gardener needs to do is find a really good location for their garden and plenty of sun. Here on the rooftop garden, we have ideal conditions. I'm Steve Place, and I'm the horticulturalist here at the Candida building. So when you're selecting plant varieties for your garden, make use of the resources that are around you. Talk to your nursery person, pick plants that are native or at least acclimated to your area. Pick a variety of plants. And what that variety does, what that diversity does, is it leaves you less exposed to an insect infestation or a disease or a pathogen. By having a lot of variety within your garden, you're assured of at least some kind of harvest. In addition to tomatoes, for any new gardener here in the Southeast, I would recommend okra, squash, or eggplants. One of the important things to use in the garden is mulch, because you want lots of organic matter in the soil because that helps retain water within the soil. One of the most important things that a gardener should be doing is roaming through their garden at least twice a week to see if there's any damage on your plants, or if they're looking wilted, or if they're looking somehow unwell, maybe yellow. Keeping dead material off the plants or in the garden. Keeping weeds out of your garden, because weeds can actually host pest species that then find their way to your vegetables. What I love the most about gardening is how peaceful it is. There's always something going on, so if you're observant, you can learn and you can really be impressed by how nature works.